Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to go paperless on Wow. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $100 Visa reward. If you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on Billing and Payment. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for paperless statements. Click on Paperless Statements. First, confirm your email address. There you will receive the emails notifying you if your statements are ready to view. If it looks correct, click on the button that says Yes, Enroll Me. Then a confirmation email will be sent to your email address. The email looks like this. Here, you will see a blue text that says Here. Click on Here. After that, you will be directed to this page where it says you are now enrolled in paperless billing. That's how you go paperless on Wow. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.